This is the job I am trying to get done. This is a gutter on the side of a garage. As you can probably see, near this corner, there's a little drip. And the drip is problematic because it's dripping down onto a deck made out of wood. And water and wood don't go together well. Eventually the wood rots out. I am therefore trying to get someone to repair this little hole so this drip stops. I do not know whether it's necessary to really replace the whole length of the gutter to do this, or if someone could come by with some kind of cement or some kind of caulking, or maybe even a plumber's blowtorch and some solder, and just plug up that hole. Now, what is so unusual about this project is when I call gutter companies, I'm being told either I need to buy a length of 100 feet of gutters, and this is obviously not 100 feet, or they simply will not start the truck unless I give them $1,000. Now, I have lived in 3 states, Connecticut, Maine, and Michigan. For years, I thought the hardest state to get someone to come to do a small job was Connecticut. I am now beginning to wonder if it is becoming Michigan. I kind of think after the recession of 2008 and 2009, and after we finally reached full employment again of around 5%, around 2015, 2016, a lot of people basically don't want to work unless they get a huge amount of money. So, looking for someone to take care of this relatively small problem. It's a small problem to someone who does gutters for a living, but because I don't want to have to replace this wood board next summer, it's a big problem to me. So, looking for someone who's willing to come out, do a little manual labor, and fix this.